Did you know that the mantis shrimp has the fastest punch in the entire animal kingdom? Yes, you heard that right. This small but mighty crustacean, typically found in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, is a true marvel of nature, delivering a knockout punch faster than the blink of an eye. When we think of the fastest things in nature, we may consider the peregrine falcon, the cheetah, or even the speed of a bullet. But the punch of the mantis shrimp? It's right up there in the ranks. This underwater powerhouse can strike at a speed of approximately 50 miles per hour. That's right, 50 miles per hour. To put it into perspective, that's almost as fast as some of the speed limits on our highways. But it's not just about the speed. The power behind the punch of a mantis shrimp is truly awe-inspiring. Imagine, if you will, a creature smaller than your hand with the ability to deliver a punch with the force equivalent to a .22 caliber bullet. It's enough to break glass aquarium walls and crack open the hard shells of its prey. This incredible feat is possible due to their specialized appendages called dactyl clubs. They store energy like a spring-loaded mechanism, launching their punch with a force that can stun, dismember, or even kill their unsuspecting prey. So, why does the mantis shrimp need such a powerful punch? Well, they use it for both hunting and defense. When hunting, they can crack open the shells of snails, crabs, and other shellfish. And in terms of defense, well, let's just say you wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that punch. In the animal kingdom, there are many contenders for the title of the strongest, the fastest, or the most deadly. But when it comes to the fastest punch, the mantis shrimp takes the crown. This little crustacean may not be as large as a lion, as fast as a cheetah, or as venomous as a viper, but with its bullet speed punch, it holds its own unique record. And there you have it, the mantis shrimp, the Mike Tyson of the ocean. You might be wondering, how can a shrimp pack such a punch? Well, to understand this, we need to dive deep into the world of physics and biology. It's a fascinating tale of evolution and biomechanics, so let's dive in. The mantis shrimp's knockout punch begins with its unique claw, called a dactyl club. This club is not your typical crustacean claw. It's built more like a spring-loaded hammer. The outer layer of the club is made up of a super tough mineral called hydroxyapatite, which is also found in our own bones. This layer is crystalline, compact, and highly resistant to impact and fracture. Beneath this tough exterior is a layer of more flexible, energy-absorbing material. It's designed to absorb some of the shock of the punch, preventing the shrimp's own claw from shattering upon impact. This design is so effective that engineers are studying it to create more resilient materials for human use. But the real magic happens in the muscles of the mantis shrimp. These are not your everyday muscles. They're like tightly coiled springs, ready to unleash a devastating punch. The shrimp contracts these muscles and locks them in place, storing energy like a drawn bow. When the time is right, it releases this energy in a split second, propelling the claw forward with bullet-like speed. This process of storing and releasing energy is known as power amplification. It allows the mantis shrimp to punch at speeds far exceeding what its muscles could achieve alone. It's a bit like a slingshot, where the energy stored in the stretched rubber band is released all at once, propelling the projectile forward. So what we see as a swift, deadly punch is actually the result of a complex interplay of biology and physics. The mantis shrimp's punch is a marvel of evolutionary engineering, a testament to the wonders of the natural world. So, the next time you see a shrimp, remember, there's more to it than meets the eye. From its unique claw structure to its powerful muscles, the mantis shrimp is a tiny powerhouse, packing a punch that can even break glass. It truly is a wonder of the underwater world. The mantis shrimp's punch isn't just fast, it's also incredibly powerful. Its punch packs a wallop, and is no laughing matter if you're another creature in the ocean. This tiny titan uses its knockout punch as a hunting tool, smashing through the shells and exoskeletons of its prey with ease. Imagine being a crab minding your own business when suddenly, out of nowhere, a punch comes at you so fast and so hard that it's over before you even realize what happened. That's the reality for the unlucky creatures that cross paths with a hungry mantis shrimp. Now you might be wondering, how is it possible for such a small creature to deliver a punch that can crack open a crab's shell? The answer lies in the phenomenon known as cavitation. Cavitation occurs when a liquid is subjected to rapid changes of pressure, causing the formation of small, vapor-filled cavities. In the case of the mantis shrimp, its punch moves so swiftly that it causes the water around its fist to boil. Yes, you heard that right. The punch is so fast, it boils the water. But the story doesn't end there. When these bubbles collapse, they produce shock waves that can stun or even kill prey. It's like a 1-2 punch. First, the physical blow, then the shock wave. This double whammy makes the mantis shrimp's punch one of the most lethal in the animal kingdom. And it's not just the prey that needs to worry. The mantis shrimp's punch is so powerful that it can break glass aquarium walls. So if you're thinking of keeping one as a pet, you might want to reconsider. In conclusion, the mantis shrimp's punch is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a combination of speed, power, and the unexpected phenomenon of cavitation that makes it a force to be reckoned with. It's safe to say, you wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of a mantis shrimp's punch. The mantis shrimp is not just a fascinating creature, it's also a popular subject in pop culture. Now you might be wondering, how can a marine critter make its way into popular culture? Well, when you're as unique and captivating as the mantis shrimp, it's not that hard to see why. With its vibrant colors and lightning-fast punch, the mantis shrimp has found a place in various forms of entertainment, including comic books, video games, and even viral internet comics. Let's start with comic books. Marvel Comics, a pioneer in the superhero genre, features a character called Shinko, who possesses the abilities of a mantis shrimp. She's part of the comic series Unbeatable Squirrel Girl and uses her mantis shrimp powers to fight villains. It's a testament to how the mantis shrimp's unique abilities have been creatively adapted into a superhero context. Moving on to video games. In the underwater survival game Subnautica, the mantis shrimp inspired the design of a creature known as the crab squid. This creature mimics the mantis shrimp's vibrant colors and its notorious punch, showcasing how game developers have drawn inspiration from this marine marvel. Lastly, let's talk about the viral internet comic, The Oatmeal. The comic strip titled Why the Mantis Shrimp is My New Favorite Animal has garnered millions of views. It humorously yet accurately highlights the mantis shrimp's incredible punching speed and its extraordinary color vision. This comic not only entertains, but also educates its readers about the wonders of the mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp's appearances in pop culture reflect our fascination with its unique abilities. It's a creature that continues to inspire creators, thrilling audiences with its real-life superpowers. Whether it's in the form of a superhero, a game creature, or a comic strip star, the mantis shrimp is certainly making waves. Who knew a shrimp could be such a superstar? So, there you have it, the mantis shrimp, a true marvel of the animal kingdom. This tiny titan with its rainbow hues and unassuming demeanor carries a punch like no other. Imagine having the strength to break glass, to rupture water, to stun or even kill your prey with a single strike. That's the daily reality for the mantis shrimp. We've journeyed through the science behind this fantastic feat. It's not just about raw power, but an intricate dance of anatomy and physics. The mantis shrimp's unique saddle-shaped structure, combined with the elastic energy stored in its muscles, enables a punch that accelerates faster than a .22 caliber bullet. The impact of this punch? A shockwave that can stun, injure, or even kill its prey. This is not merely an attack, it's a spectacle. The strike is so fast, it vaporizes the water around it, creating a flash of light known as sonoluminescence, a tiny, brilliant underwater firework display marking the mantis shrimp's triumph. And who could forget the mantis shrimp's cultural cameo? From viral videos to comic strips, this little crustacean has punched its way into our hearts and minds. It's a reminder that power comes in all shapes and sizes, and that nature is full of surprises. As we wrap up our deep dive into the mantis shrimp, let's take a moment to marvel once more at this incredible creature, a tiny powerhouse, a dazzling spectacle, a reminder of the extraordinary wonders that lie beneath the ocean's surface. If you enjoyed learning about the mantis shrimp, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fascinating animal facts. Thanks for watching.